sphere of life.
Ekta, since we're talking about, first let's identify the problems and then we'll talk about how women are going to address those problems and drive the growth story. So, being a woman, content creator, filmmaker, are there any special skills which you think hold you in good stead, which are actually an added bonus where men in the same position would perhaps be at a disadvantage?
So it is subjective because if you take television, it is a skill because you land up knowing it's a female narrative, you know. So you land up knowing far better because it's something that comes naturally, and my men have to cultivate the understanding of a female mind. But in films, it's a male narrative mostly. So we have to cultivate the art of knowing how men think. Unfortunately, these are very, very big demarcations, and we constantly break it because we're making films for women now, and there's also television for men. So, yes and no. So there is no special skill. There's special skill in life, which I would say the art of multitasking. I think I take my 3-year-old to school, from school to office, and I am usually at times playing with him while giving a narration. So I think that's a skill women naturally develop, multitasking.
Very interesting thing. As a follow-up, I want to ask you, since you brought up the issue of, the male gaze and how the films largely function through the male gaze, how did you cut through that? How did you manage to crack that formula? And I think we can safely say you have, given your success. How did you do it?
Because I think I don't look at life or content with a male or a female gaze, but if I'm making a story which is about men, I channelize the inner alpha man in me and play it out. I mean, I think I think you have to be fluid that way in life. You know, you can't think of yourself as a woman. I can only think of these things, or as a man, I can only. You have to live life like humans, and you sometimes celebrate your male characters as much as you celebrate your female characters. So you live out your various aspects with various characters. You don't contain yourself and say, okay, this is all I can do. And I need to have a male gaze to look at I made Shootout at Wadala, and I made Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, the first few gang dramas in India. And I was like, why can't I make them? Why should I only make films for women, being a woman?
Dr. Reddy, we are talking at a time where we've had quite a few revolutionary last few years. I remember, and this may be an